After unboxing the tank, make sure you rinse it with water. After rinsing, just wipe away the excessive water and make sure it's all nice and clean before the fish go in the tank. Before you put anything else like the plants or the sand or the stones that you'd like for decorations, like so. So now it's all nice and cleaned and ready to install. We're going to place it this way, so this will be in the corner, so you can get a better view of the fish once it's in there. And the wiring can go at the back where it will be plugged in. Make sure everything is stable, and so the water tank is also stable and it doesn't move around because it's glass. It could fall on the floor and shatter, so you don't want that to happen. So make sure it's all stable and ready for the decor to go in. Just before you start putting the decor in, make sure you don't plug in any of the plugs. This will be plugged in right at the end just for safety measures. So do all the decor first, put all the filters in, and then put the water in, and all of these that will also need to go in. This is for the fish to make sure it doesn't die, and when that is all done, then you go ahead and plug the water tank, plug it in. So for the filter, we just lift the lid like so, and as you can see, it's got a filter in there that needs to be changed regularly. So with a bit of a push, it clicks right in place, and that should be done and secure in there. So now it's time to put the decor in. We got some stone effect flooring that will go there. So we just opened it up, and we're just gonna slowly spray it and spread it equally everywhere. Once we do that, just spread it around. You can also buy some plants that will give it a good environment, like a sea environment for the fish. So for this, for example, we got these ones that we can use like so. Maybe one over on this side. You can get as many as you want. You can get stones that will give it a good effect, or you can get anything else that looks like underwater sea life plants. So I'm just gonna sort of cover it like that. I will buy some more. This is not it, by the way. I will make it a bit more realistic. However, this is just the beginning, so it will look like that. Now that we've established where the decorations are going to go, we're going to add the water. Just go very slowly. Don't worry about it if the decorations move around. That's totally normal. You can always put them back in place. This is the maximum water you can put in the fish tank. So now we've put 30 liters of water, because this is a 30-liter tank, so you can't put any more than that. Now you can add all the extra decorations that you would like to before you put in the Optimus and Satyrs. Now we're gonna put in some seashells that I got from the sea when I was on holiday. Perfect for the aquarium. Any seashell will do. It'll match the sea life at the bottom of the ocean. So you can just move them around, place them wherever you like before the fish moves into his new home. Make sure that the lid that comes with it you place on top of where the filter is, like so. So it's all secured, and then you're ready to add all the chemicals that need to go in to keep the fish alive, all the bacteria and everything that comes that you bought with it. And then after you've done that, you put the light down, and then you're going to plug it in and it's ready to go. So for this, that comes the Optimus that comes with it, or you buy it separately. You have to put 30 drops for 30-liter tank. So 30 liter of water tank, you put 30 drops. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30. Okay. So for the Satyrs bottle that you buy to keep the water clean, you do a lid full for every day for 2 weeks. So for this one, we'll just go, this is the lid full, we'll just dump it in there, and then you do that for every day for 2 weeks. Once you've done all of that, you then get the cover, the glass cover that comes with it, and you just place it on top, like so. Make sure the clips go in correctly and it sits in position, and the tank is ready to be plugged in. Now everything is ready to go. Once it's been 2 weeks, the fish will be ready to go in the tank and enjoy it.